Who acquires a small lease in Oklahoma, and who is making progress in natural gas in Wyoming? Will an independent company sell off their Houston, Texas assets? All this and more when we come back. Hello and welcome back to EnergyScout News and Information. I'm your host, Red Byers. Today's segment will focus on independent producers within the energy industry. In breaking news, private equity companies Riverstone Holdings and Carlyle Group have committed $450 million investment in Dynamic Offshore Resources, a new oil and gas company based out of Houston, Texas. The funds will primarily focus on the acquisition and development of producing properties within the Gulf of Mexico. Paco Oil and Gas has acquired a small leasehold from the Little Fox Oil in Oklahoma. 2 wells have been drilled on the newly acquired Little Fox leases, which are located adjacent to properties co-owned by Little Fox and Paco. Paco also expects to have the first of its Olson lease wells, also located in Oklahoma, on production by the end of February. And now it's time for other news in the energy industry. Enterprise Products has launched production from its Pioneer natural gas processing plant in Wyoming. Commercial operations began on February 1st, with production expected to ramp up to about 525 million cubic feet per day. Located near the Opal Hub in southwestern Wyoming, Pioneer is expected to eventually process up to 750 million cubic feet per day of natural gas and extract as much as 30,000 barrels per day of natural gas liquids. U.S. Junior Edge Petroleum said it was in the process of selling a small group of non-core assets and expects that sale to be effective late in the first quarter. The Houston-based company also said it would not provide any outlook about capital spending, production, and cash flow at this time, since it is currently undergoing a strategic review. Now let's take a look at today's market numbers. It's time for our leaders and laggards. Leading the pack today is Blue Dolphin at 4.29%, lagging behind is Encana at 1.91%. Crude oil is down $1.61 to $88.41, and natural gas is up 5 cents to $7.99. And now let's take a quick look at our people on the move. In strange news today, saddle up because Whiplash the Cowboy Rodeo Monkey is coming to town.
Here is one cowpoke who does a lot of monkeying around. Whiplash, the rodeo monkey, has been lassoing the hearts of audiences for 18 years. The 21-year-old performs at rodeos across the USA, herding sheep from the back of a dog. His handler says he is the star of the show, even if the dogs do most of the work.
Well, that takes monkey business to a whole nother level. And that's it for today's energy headlines. Be sure to check out our website, EnergyScout.com, and be sure to stay tuned with us on Monday. We will take a look at production within the energy industry. For Energy Scout News and Information, I'm your host, Red Byers.